Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take off the rear emblem on a 2020 Ram 2500. I'm going to be using a heat gun, Porter cable, and actually on the inside of the bed, well, not on the inside of the bed, but the tailgate, there are T25 screws. Pins on it that hold it inside the tailgate. On this one, it just has adhesive in the back. It's not really anything fancy with guiding pins or retaining clips or anything like that, so kind of a bummer. I'm going to apply some more heat to it. It's just trash now. So now that we got the top retaining clips out, we just pull the bottom ones out. See, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 retaining clips. That's trash too. So now we're just going to try and remove the rest of this adhesive that's on there. Which is actually coming off fairly easy because I have it still heated up. Process of the adhesive, I use this kind of like WD-40 and spray it on there. Warm it up. As you can see, it takes it right off. Alright, so now that I've got all of the adhesive off, I'm going to go back with a clean rag, microfiber cloth. Just make the base super clean.